Ever wondered how brands keep users engaged with fun, personalized experiences that people actually enjoy completing? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create an interactive personality quiz, just like this. Which Doctor Who companion are you? Quiz used by Penguin Random House. Here's how it works. Users answer a series of fun questions such as, which of these would you miss the most if it were gone? Your friends would describe you as, what quality do you look for in a friend? Which of these annoys you the most? These questions are designed to feel fun and conversational, while subtly mapping users toward different outcomes. Now here's where the magic happens. The results. Based on the user's answers, the quiz reveals a personalized character outcome. Now let me show you how to build this using Outgrow. Start with the Outgrow AI assistant. Simply ask it to generate a personality quiz like a which Doctor Who character are you? Quiz with at least 4 to 5 engaging questions and multiple character outcomes. Within seconds, it generates a live quiz link, but AI is just the starting point. The real customization happens inside Outgrow. Once your draft is ready, head to the Build tab. This is where you can edit every question, whether it's personality traits, preferences, or scenarios, to match your exact quiz concept. Want fewer questions? Different wording? New answer choices? Just click on any question and update it in seconds, such as how would you describe your personality? You're facing an alien invasion threatening Earth. What's your approach? And so on. Next, move to the outcome screen. This is where you create your character results. Add each outcome like the doctor, Rose, or Amy, and write a compelling description for each one under description. Once all the outcomes are added, you can navigate to each question and map every answer option to the relevant outcomes, and repeat this process for all your questions. Then head to the Design tab to make everything visually appealing. Customize logo colors, fonts, so the quiz matches your brand perfectly. Once you're ready, click on Go Live. You can share your quiz via link or embed it directly on your website. And that's it. That's how you turn a simple personality quiz into a highly engaging, shareable experience using Outgrow. Ready to build your own? Start creating quizzes that entertain, engage, and convert.